XRP is breaking through, and the price is set to soar, with major moves coming from Donald Trump and the Federal Reserve. XRP is on a trajectory that could push it to $5 and then all the way to $20. But what's behind these bold predictions? Over the past few weeks, major shifts in global financial policy have opened the door for XRP to break through barriers that once seemed insurmountable. Donald Trump's comments on cryptocurrency have created waves in the market, and his influence on global economic policy cannot be overstated. Whether you agree with his views or not, his statements about digital assets and the future of finance are shaking up investor sentiment in a big way, especially when it comes to XRP. At the same time, the Federal Reserve is making moves that could have an even larger impact on the value of XRP. Their stance on interest rates, inflation control, and the future of digital currencies is pivotal, and it's driving a new wave of confidence in cryptocurrencies like XRP. With the Fed taking a more open stance toward digital assets, institutional investors are starting to embrace the idea of cryptos like XRP being part of the mainstream financial system. This combination of political influence and institutional backing is creating the perfect storm for XRP's growth. XRP is now positioned to reach new heights, and the market is reacting. As the value of XRP rises, we're seeing a major shift in how investors view this cryptocurrency, not just as a speculative asset, but as a legitimate player in global finance. $5 and $20 per XRP is no longer a distant dream. It's becoming more of a reality every day as Trump's and the Fed's decisions continue to shake the market. The future of XRP is brighter than ever, and investors who have been watching closely are starting to see their patience pay off. So what exactly do Trump's comments and the Federal Reserve's actions mean for XRP's future? Well, first off, Trump's influence on the market cannot be understated. His remarks about the future of digital currencies are starting to reshape how the financial world views cryptocurrencies like XRP. Trump has made it clear that he believes digital assets have a huge role to play in the future, and his pro-crypto stance has boosted investor sentiment. In particular, XRP stands to benefit the most because of its real-world applications in cross-border payments and financial transactions. As governments around the world, including Trump's, look for more efficient payment systems, XRP is one of the few digital currencies that can deliver that solution. This growing acceptance and belief in XRP's utility is what's driving predictions that the price will continue to rise. At the same time, the Federal Reserve is making key decisions that directly impact the market. The Fed's recent policies, especially regarding interest rates and inflation control, have laid the groundwork for digital assets to thrive. The Fed's increasing openness to crypto gives a clear signal to investors that digital currencies like XRP are not going away. In fact, they're being integrated into the very fabric of the global financial system. The Reserve's push for a more digitally inclusive economy has made it much easier for institutions to start adopting digital assets, and XRP is one of the frontrunners. When you combine the political momentum from Trump's stance with the Fed's policy shifts, you get a situation where XRP's value can surge as more banks, institutions, and governments begin to see it as a viable, long-term solution. This backing from powerful institutions sets the stage for XRP to reach its $5 and $20 price targets. These bold predictions are no longer based on hope. They're now based on real-world changes that are reshaping the financial landscape. With increased adoption and growing institutional confidence, XRP is on the fast track to a much higher valuation. Investors are starting to realize that XRP's potential is much bigger than they once thought. The next few months are crucial in determining just how high XRP can go as we look ahead. The big question is, how should investors respond to this news? With Trump's comments and the Federal Reserve support driving XRP toward $5 and then $20, it's time for investors to make some important decisions. For those who have been holding XRP, this is a moment to be excited. The uncertainty surrounding XRP's future has been lifted, and with clear backing from influential figures like Trump and policies from the Fed supporting digital assets, XRP is now poised to thrive. If you've been waiting for the right moment, this could very well be it. XRP's price is expected to rise as institutional adoption increases, and the legal battles that once hindered its growth are now a thing of the past. For new investors looking to jump in, this could be the perfect time to buy XRP before it hits those higher price targets. While $543.98 per XRP is still a long-term goal, hitting $5 and then $20 is definitely within reach, and the momentum is already building. By entering the market now, you could benefit from the growth in value that's likely to come as XRP continues to solidify its place in the global financial system. The news is spreading, and more investors and institutions will start to take notice, driving up the demand for XRP. However, for those who are unsure or still nervous about the volatility of the crypto market, it's important to remember that XRP's utility is what's truly driving its future success. With its real-world applications and strong use cases in cross-border payments, XRP is not just a speculative asset, it's a solution to a growing need in the financial world. Even if the market experiences some short-term fluctuations, the long-term outlook for XRP remains strong. In the coming weeks and months, it's likely we'll see continued positive momentum for XRP. If you're holding or thinking about buying, now is the time to stay informed and make your move. The future of XRP is bright, and with Trump's and the Fed's backing, there's never been a better opportunity to be part of this incredible journey toward mainstream adoption. As XRP continues to gain traction, it's important to stay vigilant and informed. The developments we've seen so far, Trump's supportive stance on digital assets and the Federal Reserve's openness to cryptocurrency, are just the beginning. The future of XRP is now closely tied to global financial systems, and as the world increasingly adopts digital payment solutions, XRP is well positioned to play a crucial role in this transformation. However, the market is still volatile, and even with all the positive momentum, XRP's price can experience fluctuations. Investors should be prepared for both the highs and lows that come with the crypto market. One thing to keep in mind is that while XRP's legal and regulatory landscape has cleared up, the broader crypto space is still facing uncertainty with global regulations continuing to evolve. It's important to watch for any new regulatory announcements from both the U.S. government and international bodies that could impact the growth of digital assets like XRP. Even so, XRP's solid foundation and real-world use case make it more resilient than many other digital currencies. Ripple's ongoing partnerships and the growing use of XRP in global finance mean that its future value is tied to real-world demand, not just speculative trading. For long-term holders, this is the moment to stay the course and trust in XRP's fundamentals. As institutional adoption increases and XRP's role in global payments expands, its value is likely to grow steadily. Short-term price fluctuations are inevitable, but XRP's long-term potential remains incredibly strong. For those who are new to XRP, now might be the perfect time to enter the market. With all the positive news, institutional support, and growing adoption, XRP's price could see significant gains in the coming months. But it's important to make any investment decisions based on careful research and your risk tolerance. XRP is positioned to be a leading force in digital finance, and this is just the beginning. The $5 and $20 price targets are just the starting points, and with the right moves,